You're going so fast. Yay! You're so far away. Remember the big road. Ooh, Lily, look. Here's an inchworm. Come here. You see it? You see it hanging right there? Right there? On that string?
What is that?
It's an inchworm. It's got a little tiny string it made, see?
But why is it flying?
It's not flying. As you see the string, it's attached to the string. That like a... See it?
Oh, I want to catch it.
You can't catch it.
Why? Because it will get on my arm?
It might get on your arm.
Hi, little perchworm.
A perchworm. A perchworm. A perchworm?
I can run faster than that worm.
I'm sure you can run faster than that worm, but it can also fly in the air.
Okay,